Okay, this is it running without the air conditioner on. Just to get a feel, it's running pretty low. I've got the idle set pretty low. So here we go. That's without the air conditioner on. I need to look in here, I guess, probably for you too. We're talking about a tensioner. The tensioner up there, it looks like. Hopefully. So now I'm going to turn on the air conditioner. I had the fan on. There we go. That's cold air coming out now. Sorry about that. It's running pretty low. There we go. There we go. So that's the rumbling. That's the rumbling sound that the other mechanic was talking about.